Hey, here's another story ng aking buhay with my boyfriend, American English. Ewan ko, masakit sa ulo. So, update ko kayo. Here's another life this past few weeks or few days. Ayan, ginagawa namin nagbe-video call and kakanta-kanta. And then we're talking anything until matapos hanggang sa maubos. But anyway, may update siya today. And, there's a good news, which is we receive our NOAA 1 because we're applying fiancé visa this year and maybe we're gonna approve next year. That's the good news. But the bad news is here. Look at this. Yes, binangga siya. Grabe, laki ng lamat, P. Grabe yung gas-gas. Disappointed siya dyan. Kala mo lang na-stress tayo ng person. Ano ba? Paano ba nangyari? Tumatakbo or kumbaga nagda-drive siya. Biglang may bumangga sa kanya. And then, tumakbo, hit and run ang tawag doon. So, ganun yung nangyari. So, that's the bad news, huwag na natin tagalin, char. So, ayan, pinakita niya naman, in-update niya yung life niya kahit malayo. And syempre, no choice ang person na gutom na, gagamitin pa rin sa sakyan kahit sira na, kahit talaga binangga na. Pero yung labas lang naman yung may damage, pero sa loob wala. So, ayan, alis nga pala yan at pupunta yan sa restaurant para maghanap ng pagkain niya. I don't know, is it breakfast or lunch or dinner? But it looks like morning, so kakaumaga lang yan. So, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.